What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm him. Today is Tuesday, October 29th. We're almost at the end of the month. It's a work day, so I'm going to be working. I have a few things that I want to accomplish in the hour and a half to 2 hours that I have before my next meeting. We'll see. So we have this new feature. Let me turn on the music a little bit. So we have this new feature called identity verification for our product OneSignal. And the whole idea is to allow our customers to verify a user before we take user actions on them, like updating their data or any other thing, like creating subscriptions, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm about to try to make some progress on that. There's not really any documentation. I mean, we have somewhat documentation, but we're gonna hopefully flush it out a little bit more, maybe. Anyways, let's go over to the screen share. All right, don't mind this. This is an iOS app that maybe I will update to work with this new server that I'm about to build. And I haven't really settled on how I'm going to build this. Like, do I want to use Next, or do I just want to use Express? You know, do I want to use Bun? Who knows? One thing is for sure, though, I'll probably use Supabase. It may be worth just starting a new one. I don't know what this is, what's in here. Huh. Interesting. Oh, it's still setting it up. Haha, okay. Got it. All right, so while that goes, there it goes. Okay. Are there any tables here? It looks like this is just an empty database, maybe. Do we even have anything? Nope. No functions. I wouldn't expect to have functions if there are no tables, but you can create a function without tables. So I'm just checking. All right. Triggers, yep, those are all empty. So this could be a clean project to start from, maybe, I hope. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna use this right here for my database. And let's figure out a framework to use. So I know I want to host this on Vercel. I think I still pay them. Yeah, I want to say I still pay Vercel. We'll see. Try Bun. All right, so I can create a server. Okay. It's probably not a great idea to use a technology I've never used to build this demo, but you know, that's what I'm about to do. This will be OneSignal developers. I assume I can install this anywhere as well. So let's install this right quick. All right, so to get started, it wants me to do this. I hope I don't have to do that again. And then I should be able to do this. Okay, So we now have the shell installed. Does this have a REPL? Oh, it does. So I can just type in bond REPL. It looks like it installs some things. Please note the REPL implementation is still experimental. Let A equal I don't care. All right, cool. Look at that. And can we do some things? Yeah. Can I map across all of these? And given a thing, can I do to uppercase on it? Can I do that? Is that the name of the function? Oh. So technically this is a string, but I was hoping that it wouldn't matter. So we can do it that way. And then we can map, and then we can do what I think is to uppercase. Like that. No. There we go. So it's that right there. And then we want to join all of these. So we get I don't care. So now we get back the string and all. Okay. All right, cool. So maybe I won't have any issues. Let's hope. So it wants me to write some code, I guess. I'll do that. I'll dump something in a file right quick. So we'll do index. Actually, before I do this, let's go to my desktop. And we'll create index. Wait a minute. I don't know if I created an alias for VI or not, so I'm gonna just type it out all the way. I don't like naming my files index. To me, that's dumb. And this is a TSX file? That's interesting. This is TSX and not just TypeScript. I'm gonna go with TS and see what it does. See if it'll get upset at me. And I'm not gonna just gonna copy and paste that. All right. Okay, so we're listening on localhost. Oops. And we'll create a call request. Localhost 3000. All right, cool. Yeah, we get welcome to Bond, so it's working. Okay, cool. All right, so that's that. I already have a web server, technically. I could just do it there. But I need to do there. All right, let's go look at the docs. That should have been started, hopefully. Forgot that I restarted my computer, so all of my windows are all over the place. I think this is it here. So I'm gonna have to find the app that I can actually do this in. That's kind of where I got stuck at, because I don't have this button in my UI. So it makes it hard to do anything. All right, so we still have the same code here. We'll go ahead and pull this in. Now I don't know how imports work in Bun. Like, is it like a package manager or something in Bun, maybe? Package manager is BUNX. Is there a index or directory that I can go and look at? BUNX Causeway. The hell is Causeway? It says this is a package runner. I need a package manager. Oh, here it is. So there's bun, add, and install. What the hell's the difference? All right, so this is a Node.js compatible one. Let's see what add is. Just to add a, wait, what? Oh, look at this. I get like this icon. Where the hell is this icon coming from? Interesting. I have no idea where that icon came from. So it seems like you use bun install if you're coming from a Node.js environment, and maybe you use add when you're not. It's not clear, so I'm gonna first make a directory for this file that I created. So we'll call this identity verification server, something like that, and we'll move the index file into there, and identity. We'll do that. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and move this identity, whatever this thing is, to my code one signal developers directory. We'll go ahead and close that out, and we'll go into identity, whatever it's called. Cool. So now we have a server. All right, I heard I got a message. Yo, what's up? Man, I'm gonna mispronounce the hell out of this name. Ruin to chip something. What's up, bro? How are you doing? Wait, is this a motorcycle? And you're, oh man, what kind of bike you ride? I imagine you're someone who found me through some of my motorcycle riding. That I don't really say anything. I kind of just ride around. Anyway, welcome to the live stream. All right, so we're gonna add this whatever the hell. So the name of the package that I want to add is JSON. I forgot what it's called. It's not JWT. It's maybe JSON Web Token, maybe, but I don't remember. So we're gonna look. So we're gonna search packages, and we're gonna look for JSON. Yeah, it is what. Okay, look at me. I know what I'm doing. Look at that. So we're gonna add. Okay, bun isn't here now. What the fuck? Do I have to run? Do I have to like do this every single time? Is it bin bun? I've already forgotten what it is. Oh shit! What just happened? Oh wow, that crashed my shell. What the hell? What the hell? All right, so that legitimately crashed my shell. That I wasn't expecting that. Oh my gosh. Okay. What if I do bun here? Okay, so bun's here. I wonder if I go into another directory. Let's try this out. Let's go to code, and now let's try to run bun. Okay, I don't know what the fuck. I really don't know what the hell's going on here. So we'll go into here, and then what is it called? Identity verification server. And we'll try to run this again, and it just works. What the fuck? All right, fine. Same as you. Oh, you got a Street Fighter V4S? Oh, that's what's up. I just got mine this year, actually. It's actually, yeah, it's life-changing. That's all I can say. Like, it's compared to my other bike, the one before I had a Monster 1200R, this bike is just on a whole other level. It's not even fair to compare it. And I do, now that I've had it for a while, I can definitely get behind the idea that no one needs 200 horsepower. And no one needs to tune it like I've done to get even more horsepower. But I'm not mad. I like it. I prefer it. All right, cool. So we got this whatever the hell that I just did. We'll open this up in, actually, I'm not gonna open it up yet. We're gonna pull over this code here. And we're gonna learn if Bun has, like, what do you call it? If I can use imports, if I can import modules, we'll see if it can happen. So let's open this up in a proper visual text editor. I'm not going to use Vim today. Okay, so I get a bun lock B and then an index. All right, I'm going to go ahead and create a folder structure. Oops. We'll do new file, and then we'll do core. So actually, I'm just going to write this in a file, because what I'm thinking I'm going to have to do is use an actual web server, a proper web server, because I don't want to have to think about things. And just having it in a file will make my life a little bit easier. So we'll call this the OneSignal ID verification, ID verify, or verify identity. I think that's even better. Identity. This will be a TypeScript file as well. We'll just paste it in here. Okay, sign OneSignal identifier verification jot. All right, man. I hope to see you in the future. And yeah, enjoy lunch. I'm assuming you're on the East Coast if you're eating this early. Or maybe you're on the West Coast if you're eating breakfast, but it's actually lunch. I don't know. But yeah, have a good rest of the day and hopefully get to see you in the future. All right, so we're gonna have this function and we're gonna export this function because it needs to be exported. Okay, so we're gonna pass in an app ID. That don't really make sense to me. Oh, you got a YouTube channel as well? All right, cool. Let me, shit, I'm not on YouTube. How do I get to YouTube? Give me a second. Let me go ahead and follow you while it's on my mind, because I will forget once I get busy with work. All right, how do I do this? All right, how do I do? It's a lot of effort, bro. Oh my gosh. But there you go. All right, cool. So, oh wait, was I already subscribed to you? If I was, my bad. My bad. I thought, I don't know, maybe I was already subscribed. All right, cool. So we have this thing right here. I don't like this right here. There's ever only going to be one app ID. So what I'm going to do is pull this out and we'll create another thing here called constants. And we're going to have an app ID. And that will be process dot env dot something, or I'll just copy whatever we have here. Where is it? Here, yeah. We'll just do something like this, and then this will be the app ID. I wonder if I need to import process. Yeah, this is interesting because I'm in Bun and it wants me to find node types? Or do I have to import process? This is something that I don't know. This is why you should never use framework or something that you're unfamiliar with. I already regret it. All right, let's look. Process. So we get child processes, but I don't see anything with environment. Read environment variables with bond. There we go. So it is process. No, wait. The current environment variables can be accessed via the process end, but also can expose these variables being bond, which is simply, okay, so we'll try bond.env. And it doesn't know what that is. Huh. Interesting. Do I need to import something? So we're gonna have our app ID, and that's gonna equal something. Okay, so I'm gonna have to find an app ID that I can actually use, because my current app ID, I can't enable the identity verification because I don't have the button, which is always fun. The next thing that I'm gonna need is this signal, or this secret key right here. So we'll just go ahead and plop that in here. And I normally do SK for secret key. Okay. So I don't have the key yet. I'm going to have to figure out how to get the key because yeah, I don't have the button in my UI to generate that key. So we're going to call this our identity OS identity verification secret key. Is this something that I can import maybe? Or maybe I need to install a Bun runtime. Yeah, that's probably it. Bun for Visual Studio. Extension has support for Bun using Visual Bun design. Yeah. Okay, debug terminal. Okay, so yeah, we'll go ahead and add this as a launch configuration. Oh, come on now, don't just go away. Create. I think this is pretty much the same thing. Except for the configuration. No, configuration. Let's see, what do we have? Program is going to be a file. Do we have that? Yeah, we do. So in this case, mine is going to be index.ts. All right, I think the rest of this can go away. Okay, let's see if that actually does something. What I'm expecting. Wait, did I install this? Or do I need to restart maybe? Yeah, I may need to restart. Or not. Okay, there we are. It's just taking forever. This is fine. We don't want to use this anyway. We want to use the constant that I just created that I never exported that maybe I should do. So that way I can kick these cans down the road till later. So let's be one signal. I've already forgot the name of it. I already forgot the name of this. Oh, it's OS. Okay, no wonder. So OS. I forgot the name of it again. We'll just do that. And we also want to do the same for this app ID. All right, and we'll remove this function from there. Ideally, if I want to have one for different app IDs, what I would do is I would curry this function. So I would keep the app ID here, but then I would call the function to then return another function that whenever I call it, it only accepts these two things. So I could do it that way, maybe. And maybe I will do it that way later. Okay, so we get our one signal JWT. Technically, I don't want this here. Yo, what's up, Casual Economist? How you doing? All right, I don't know why this isn't popping up. Does it? Maybe it doesn't know that this is bun. Oh wait, no, this isn't that. How do I tell this environment thing that this is bun? It should just know from this bun lock that I have. And I don't even have yeah, I don't have anything here. All right, let's see if there's something for bun here specific. No. Ooh, I just noticed a mistake. Let's put in the right value here. All right, and then I'm just going to put in some test strings. So we'll say app ID, and we'll say secret key, or we'll just call it a secret. And I know you can't see it. It's because I have a plugin that prevents you from seeing things. So here's what I'm doing. I don't expect this to really work, but I do expect to get some type of error that lets me know that it's working. So we're going to call this function. We'll do that, and then we'll pass in EID for external ID and subscriptions. Okay, this needs to be typed. So, man, god damn it. I'll just type it here for now and I'll move it later. So we're gonna have interface called subscription. And a subscription is gonna have a type, which is either email, SMS, what else can it be? Push. I'm sure there are others, but this is what I'm gonna have for now. So we're gonna have that. We'll get a token, which is a string. And it should be read only. All of these should be read only. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna get that. And I actually have to look at our, like the data that we're passing to know what it is. I think I have, oh, here we are. Like I think I have something that shows what a subscription can have. Let's go to create subscription. So we're gonna get a type token and maybe enabled. Maybe enabled is Boolean. Okay, so we're going to now have this be strongly typed as an array of subscriptions. In fact, we're going to do a read-only array. We don't want to do anything different here. Read-only array of subscription. We want this to be a capital subscription. Okay, so just dump the subscriptions in here like so. And now I can throw in an empty array like this and we're happy. All right, so let's get a value back just in case this works. It shouldn't work, but you never know. And we're going to try to use the F5 to build it and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, sure. Fine. I will just use the things that I'm used to using then. We'll run it. Index TS. Oh shit. This isn't the right place to put that. So we're gonna put this in our index. And let's see if it has rebuild. Hopefully it does. Alright, so serve we own a fetch, request, return. Okay, so instead of doing that, we're gonna run this and we need to import it. And instead of returning welcome to Bun, I'm going to return inside of that response A. Like that. Does it rebuild? It doesn't. It also doesn't even know that it's freaking Bun. Why do I need to do this? Types Bun. That should... What's the point of this if I still have to go in and install dumb shit like this? Yeah, I do have to do it. This sucks. The whole purpose of me wanting to use this is that I don't have to do anything, but I still have to do things. Can I find Bun? I literally just installed these things. You know, it's not clear to me where... Oh, it's a package JSON. I see. Oh, and it solved it correctly too. It says a dev dependency. All right. Well, that's cool, I guess, but the problem still persists. It still is telling me it doesn't know what this is. Is there like a Bun restart? Or maybe I'll just restart the TypeScript server. Sometimes that fixes things. Oh, my bad, Casual, missed the stream. Yeah, I've been busy. I was traveling. So, yeah, I didn't have time to stream. Homesick. Well, that's not good. Hopefully you feel better sooner rather than later. What are all these problems that is telling me that I have? Type buffer does not satisfy. Types node. Why do I have types node in here? Why? Wait. I'm confused. Why do I have node types? Okay, is it not packages? Is it npm? Is it just what? So still under node modules, which is interesting. Do we have node in here? We have types. Let's go into types. do it this way. It's a little easier. Ah, look at that. So we have bun and node in here. Do I need both? Yeah, this is interesting. Like, why do I need bun and node types? I'm gonna keep it, but it's interesting. Let's go ahead and run the thing. Let's do the thing. I don't care that much. Oh, I do care. I can't run it anymore. Okay. Oh, I'm done. That's done. All right, now I can run it. Okay, cool. We're gonna open up a new thing. All right. Script ID. All right, I'm gonna run this on a browser so I can get that page parsed out, or even better idea, we'll just open it up. Man, I hate that they renamed this. Open this up. We'll just put local hosts. All right. Oh, we're getting a 500. Okay. All right. Do we get anything printed here? Yes, we do. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Yes, we do get something printed. Okay, cool. If header, yeah. Secret private key type. Oh, okay. So it's spelling. All right, let's get a key. Let's produce a key. I want to say that this will produce it for me. I hope. Crypt. No. Nope. I'm gonna have to go to the internet to produce it then. I want to say that they have a tool on here that allows you to create. What was it? ES. I've already forgot what it was. I think it's 256. I'm not. Yeah, it is 256. Maybe I want this here. We're getting the same thing. It must be an asymmetric key. You know what? Let's unhide this. Uh-oh. Fuck. It's frozen. Oh, gosh. It's still frozen. All right. We'll just reopen. Alright, I might have to disable cloak. It's causing my IDE to lock up. Oh my gosh. Let's disable this. Okay. Oh gosh, what's going on? What the hell? What if all right, I'm not gonna put a quote around it. That way I can at least see it. You don't have to put quotes around variables. I just do it because I don't have a good reason for it. All right, so still complaining about this not being a symmetric key. All right, let's do some print lines because it's like, all right, why is this not working? It's the key that supposedly is supposed to work. Inside of the function, I'm going to print it out just to make sure that I am getting the right key, because I have had it happen where I don't get the key and it's like empty. So we're going to see if that's what's happening. In fact, before I do that, let me put that in here. We'll say this is the key. This is the key. Like that. All right, cool. So we are getting the key, except for it's not the whole key. Oh, okay. That's not the entire key, so we'll, okay, this is gonna be challenging now. Put it here, and then here. The quotes. This isn't the full key. All right, we're gonna try something else just to confirm that it's not the key, or that it's what I think it is, which is these other characters aren't appearing. So we'll just dump it in here. Wait, what? Why did it do that? I didn't ask it to do that. Oh, it's not happy with these slashes. God damn it. So there's another way I can do this. I can use the string literal approach. So that way it'll just be there the way that I want. Let's try this now. We still get the key is spelling. Oh, I'm dumb. Of course it's the same key here. But I am still getting the same error. All right, let's go to this key creator. Maybe there's an option to make it asymmetric, but I thought that was by default when it's ES256. Maybe there is an app that I can use that has this. So maybe All Demo Testing has it. And I am pretty confident that what I need is in here. You can find that doc somewhere. Yeah, generate new keys. What do I have? I have, yeah, fuck. Oh, wait. No. I have it down here now. Okay. Now let me see if I have this in my app, because I don't want to do it here. Let me undo this. Maybe they've shipped it. Oh, fuck, no. All right, damn it. I'm gonna have to do it here, so I don't care. Some people are gonna have to just deal with it. Require authentication for a, okay, I'll leave that alone for now. We'll leave it alone. And then token identification, yeah, we'll do that. Generate new keys. I'm not typing that. Okay. I wonder if it wanted me to include the private key part too. If so, then that explains why it was failing. We're gonna see right now. And I think I need to include that new line here too. Oops. And if it boiled down to I didn't include the begin private key bullshit, yeah, that was it. Fuck. Okay, fine. Okay, so this creates a JWT that we can then go and look at. Let's look at it right quick. Oh, what? Wait, what? I literally just copied this and it didn't put it to my clipboard. There we go. Cool, subscriptions. Yeah, cool. This is exactly what I expected it to be. So yeah, we're good. Let's try to put this in my environment. I don't have high hopes. Okay. And then this will be OS identity verification SK. Fell again. The life. It would help me so much if I can actually see my environment, which I can't. I don't know why. Maybe I should just restart. How about that? Okay, so it was there and then it hid itself. What the fuck? All right, I might have to switch from VS Code if it's going to continue to fuck around with me right now. This is code. I could have swore that I just disabled cloak, but maybe I need to do one further and uninstall this shit. How about that? No difference. Is there any weird things here? Is there like a hide in here? No. All right, let me restart again. Maybe. What the fuck? Why is it doing this? You know what? I am going to call this dev.env. That way, it'll just leave me like, I don't understand tools that make decisions for me. At no point did I say hide anything, but it does it. And oh my gosh, it's annoying. So let's see that. Let's hope that I can use dev.env and Bond will load it just fine. That's my hope. It doesn't. Fuck. Or wait, does it? Let's see. Yeah, it's undefined. So this needs to be .env. But I can't see my environment. Can't see shit. What the fuck? How do people, like, I can't even highlight to see it. How do people deal with this? How do you, like, I don't understand. Man, obviously I would not be a good engineer anymore. If this is the state of the art with tools, if this is what I had to expect, I don't know. I can't do it. It's not for me. Let's see if it at least, if it's loading it correctly now. Where is here? Okay, so it's loading, but I can't see any of my variables, which I don't even know. I don't even know what to search for. .env, how about that? We'll just do that. Features. None of these should be relevant either. I don't see any extensions that could cause this. Why is it expanding these things when I click them? It's really annoying. All right, well, I'm not gonna figure that out, but I'm past it. Kind of sucks, if I'm being honest. All right. What if I... Wait, why can't I change the language? I just want it to be text. There we go. Yeah, whatever that shit that is doing, it's insane. Where it hides my shit. So we're just gonna look at it as plain text. How about that? All right, now I'm cooking. All right, cool. So we're gonna restart this server, I think. Oops. All right, cool. And we're going to confirm that this has the correct credentials issued by, yeah, that's right. The expiration, do I have control over expiration? I do. So I have control over this. So I should probably say that. Okay. All right, and then we're going to throw in the external ID, which, you know, we're not worried about right now. All right, cool. So we have the server and it's kicking out the correct thing. Now I just need to wait, am I just doing a git for this? Yeah, I'm gonna have to post to the server. So we're gonna need to change this. Where's the index? Server fetch. So this is where we look for a web framework. Word. Oven is the thing. Okay. How do I use oven? Essentials. Okay, we'll go to the website. Oh, so wait. Is oven already in there? I'm confused. Or is this bun? This is just bun. Let's go to some examples. This isn't what I'm after. Why is everyone ripping off of Apple? Man, nobody got creativity. Nobody is their own person. They all got to rip off of other better people. It's a shame. Honestly, it doesn't even work here. It's just a mess. Wait, Bun create Alicia app. Okay. All right, let's see, cheat sheet. So I can do get and then the thing. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what's happening here. I guess. Sure, if you really care about having like dot, all these, what they're doing. Anyway, we're gonna do this. We're gonna use this. So we're gonna go to the quick start. And it says that it wants me to create a Alicia app. Okay. Sure. Well, we're gonna do that now. Fine. For what it's worth, that's why I have all these as standard files, because I knew that I was gonna have to move things around. All right. So we'll go back out a directory, and we'll create an app. Wait a minute. Oh, it literally named it app. Why did it name it app? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, sure. So we're gonna go into our app, and hopefully there's a README in here. There is. Get started. Yeah, simply paste this command into your terminal. Wait, what? I'm not doing that. Bun run dev. Okay, bun run dev, and it doesn't work. Oh, okay. This is all right. Understandable. I would have preferred if it would have just tried to run it on another port like any smart tool would do, but maybe that's too much to ask. Okay, perfect. So we have this thing. So I imagine it's going to give us some boilerplate something. First things first, we'll run it. We'll open it in PAW, which is not called PAW anymore. That's the mistake. All right, so yeah, cool. We get whatever that is. So let's open this up. So we get a source directory. So what I probably want to do is copy everything that is a TS file. Actually, no, we'll just do this right here, .ts. But we want to do it, the directory behind this one, and specifically that. And we want to take all of these and copy them here. Oh wait, no, we don't. We want to put it into source. Okay, cool. So now we have all of those things. Oh, we also want to take the environment. So we'll do that, the M file, and then we'll put that here. And there's also some stuff in the package that I want. So what we'll do here is we'll look at that package JSON and pull out the things that I need. So I need JSON web token. Oh, I was about to say, how the hell is that here? I'm dumb. I was looking at the wrong thing. All right, so we'll go package. What? Why does it do it? Like, man, I fucking hate VS Code. It's always doing shit that I don't want it to do. I never asked for it to render out anything. Just like, let me choose. Don't help me. I don't need help. All right, bun types latest. Wait, what's the difference between types bun and then bun types? This is weird. This is confusing. Okay. So can I just do bun? Just bun, maybe? No. Will it just run the thing if it doesn't know how to get the thing? Cannot find package. Okay, sure. So it'll be bun at JSON web token, which it should already have been there, but maybe I had to like do a bun install. I don't know. All right, perfect. So now we have almost the same thing. So I can now close this. Let's get rid of that. I'm gonna delete it soon. Wait, did I just quit VS Code? I did, like a dumbass. Okay. We are going to remove the identity verification, and we want to rename app to identity verification. I'll just do that right there. All right, and we'll go into that. Let's open that up. Cool. So we should be in a better position, kind of, maybe. So we're going to put this in a comma. Put that there and put that there. We'll shorten this name up. All right. And then wait. Oh shit. I don't think I wanted to copy over index, but I did it. Fuck. Oh man, this is what I get for not paying attention. Let's see if this is a Git repo. Yeah, it is. Perfect. Look at that. So we can just do a diff. So this is what was there last time. So we'll kind of put that back. We got to import Alicia. Oops. Okay, and then we get our app. And then after that, we can say that it's running. Like something like that. Right. So that's a get, which I don't want to do. I mean, I'm going to keep that get there, but I'm also going to do a dot post, and then this will be auth or verify. We'll call it verify user. Technically, this is going to be auth because that's where it needs to go. So it'll be auth, and then the handler is going to be the verify user handler or something like that. Authenticate. So we'll create a new function called auth, and then we'll just say we'll want to export it. Export function authenticate. We're probably gonna get something, but for now we'll just leave it empty. And then this will also be an async function. And let's just return a promise resolve. And then we'll just say authenticated. Authenticated, like so. So now we have our authentication function, and I wonder, do these handlers need anything special? Is there like a, we'll see. We're gonna see actually. And we're gonna say authenticate. So I wanna be able to pass in things to here. So let's see what I can pass. Oh, wow, nothing. Maybe we'll just look at the type definition. So post, where is the part that I need? Here we are. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Where does the generic end? Right here? No. Yo, what's up, Yanni? How you doing? I haven't seen or heard from you in a minute. I'm just doing some work. Why in the hell do I not see the actual function part of this? Man, it would be, I wish that this was like better, like, what's the word? Formatted or something. Oh, here we are. Here we are. So we get a path, a handler, which is a handle. What the hell is a handle? So a handle extends an inline handler. Okay. Let's go look at that. Okay. So an inline handler is an object and a singleton, which extends this thing right here. Okay. And then path extends route. I don't know. This is weird. I think what I'm going to try to do is just give it an authenticate and just see what happens. We'll just say authenticate like that. Now, the reason why I'm going to do this is that if it is giving me any variables or whatever, I can just print them out as args. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we'll console out that, and we'll do args arguments. So we'll print all of the arguments out as an array, if anything exists. So let's go ahead and run this, spawn, run dev, verify identity, cannot find it. Verify identity, that's because it's in core. Bond serve fell to, oh gosh, again. All right, where do I have that other server running? God damn it. it here. You know what? I will, gosh, what do I have? I have a tool for this. Sloth, I think. You can just find it because I don't know where it is. I don't know where I'm running it at. So we'll just search all of the IP sockets for port 3000. Oh, wait, is this not the right one? No, that should be it. Okay. LN, is it LS of? LS of, yes, this one. Okay. So I want to say I should be able to like pass in a port. So is dash P maybe? No process ID. I don't know if it's that. Is it 3000? LS of port. Man, I wish that this thing had a better search. I'm looking for specifically port. I want regular expression search right now. Something that's not trash, that actually works. Instead of just this bullshit ass string matching search. Oh, wait, whoa. Port. What's the flag for that? Shouldn't be this hard to find. Oh, wait, a port. I just saw it. The port I. Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't be this hard to find that. My gosh. I would never have guessed I for port. And that didn't seem to be it either. Unknown protocol name. Wait, what? This is unknown? Oh, all right, let's see if I can recruit ChatGPT for this one. How do I do that? ChatGPT. Watch, it says I. Yeah, it fucking says I. Oh, okay. I didn't name the port right. I forgot the this. All right. So first of all, all right. No. Something's wrong here. There's nothing running. There's nothing running. Why is it failing? Failed to start server. Is the port in use? Absolutely not. It's not in use. It's not in use. At least I don't know where it could be in use at. Let's close that. This is why I wasn't able to find it here. It's not because like if I just do that normally I would find it. So for whatever reason, that port seems to be used by something or opened by something, and I don't know what. Let's try this. Yeah, nothing. This is what I would expect to get. So why am I getting this right here? Let's try it. Let's just give it another port. Let's just put 3001. See if we still get the same issue. All right, fine. All right, now if I put it back on port 3000, same issue. Huh. The command that I just ran, this one right here, this should have found every file, or like this should find every process that's currently pointing or consuming from this port. So right now there is. When I did this just a minute ago, there wasn't. Also, this says that it's running on port 3001. But here, let's try this again. What the fuck? Whoa. Oh, okay. I am dumb. I see what's happening here. It's because of this. Okay. None of you noticed it either, so I'm not the only one. All right, we're gonna get rid of this this piece right here, and let's go to our authenticate. And then this is where we're going to verify identity. Yeah, that's right. We're going in here, and then we're going to import that. Import something. I don't remember what it's called. We'll just call it A from verify. I guess I got to do this. Yeah, verify identity. And what am I importing? I forgot that. We're gonna do this. Oh. Why? What the fuck? Why is it doing this? This is weird. Okay, there we are. Something a little bit better. Okay, so I think that this should be good to go. Yes, perfect. All right, we're gonna open up this. All right, cool. So we get the thing, hello, whatever, something. Let's also come into here and actually do something with this. It's going to return a promise of a string, but should I await this? Or just do everything inside of here? Just do everything inside of here. Okay. So we are calling this function, I think. Oh no, we're not. We're not calling it. Or maybe it is calling it and I just don't realize it. So let's try it. We're gonna come into our auth, and assuming that this is being called, which it seems like it's not, I should get an argument, or I should get a string printed down here, which I don't. So that tells me that this isn't actually being called. So we actually want to call it. Now this is begging the question, how do I get details from the request? All right, like I would expect to get some, never mind. Look at that. So I can get the things that I want. So I definitely want the body. I have no idea what that looks like yet. What else do I want? That's all I need for now. We'll just get the body, and we'll pass in set body at some point. But before I do that, we're just gonna play around. We're gonna learn about, what is this giving me? We'll pass in our body like so, and let's do that. So we need to make this a post. That's why, honestly, that's why I didn't do anything, because I was using the wrong method. I see that now. And we get a not found. Oh, that's because it's not. Okay, it's slash off. Aha. Okay, there we go. So we get undefined. So there's no body, which makes sense because there is no body. But if I create a body, I can say this is my body. Let's see, we do that. Yes, perfect. So we do get that back. Now my question is, can I type this somehow? Is this generic? Const schema extends merge schema. I assume schema is the thing, maybe. So it looks like you can, it is generic, to some extent. This body here is unknown, which is fine for now. So let's parse it. Let's see if I can parse it. We'll do const obj and JSON parse body, like so. And I think this can fail, if I'm not mistaken. Argument of type unknown. Yeah. Alright, I'll just hack it. It's fine. Okay. This is my body. That seemed to have worked. Let's see if OBJ is actually parsed the way that I think. It is. Perfect. So, what I'll probably want to do is do my data massaging, like, you know, figure out how to get the body in the right thing. So we'll say data massaging, and then invalidation. So we'll do that. And then once this is properly whatever, we can then pass in the body here. All right, so, and I would also probably want headers as well. So we'll pull out headers. And the reason for that is because the authorization, you know, if someone is going to do authorization, it would be header. Actually, would I want to authenticate with the server? No, we won't authenticate with the server. We'll just do it this way. All right, and we'll pass in the OBJ, or the payload rather. So we'll rename this to payload. We'll just pass in that payload to here. Now the payload is going to be a mix of things I can find. Here we are. Wait, why is that not working? Okay, there we are. All right, this will be a string. Oops. Import JSON web token. I thought I installed this. Alright, maybe I don't need to worry about it for now. But let's define what a payload looks like for now. So we'll move these types in another place at some point. So this is going to be the auth payload, I guess. And I expect to have these things here. So we'll have these two things like that. Here for now. Whoa. Wait, what? Why? Oh, okay. Why? I don't understand. Why? What the fuck? Why did it move my window like that? That's dumb. Okay. So we want to export this since we are going to use it here. Okay, so we're going to have the external ID and then whatever. And then we'll have a response as well at some point. Export, authenticate, okay. Authenticate is going to expect a payload, which itself is an auth payload. So we don't care about arguments anymore. All right, and then we're going to do some authentication. So this right here is going to be our authenticated part, right? So we'll say authenticate with system, what's backend, I guess, what's backend. And then this is going to say if authenticated, right? So if authenticated, then we'll do some things. So this right here is going to be our authentication function for now. So we'll say const authenticated, and we'll just set that equal to this and true, maybe. All right, so this will hopefully be always authenticated. Yes, I know that, I get it. Oh, also, this needs to be awaited like so. All right, so if we're authenticated, then we're gonna wanna do some things. So the way I'm gonna do this is say if not authenticated, we'll wanna return. Then we'll probably wanna return something, a response, but for now, I'm not gonna return anything. I'm just gonna return nothing. And then otherwise, we can now do the other part, which is once we are authenticated with the back end, and we're gonna use the external ID, I suppose. Yeah. So we're gonna have to look up. So authenticate with backend. We'll say look up user via external ID. And there might be other things that you use. So look up user via external ID or other alias. And it just needs to be in your database. Or another alias. So it'll need to be in your DB. Yo, what's up, Marshall? How you doing? All right, cool. So once we do this lookup, we are assuming that we've come back true, right? So I don't have a database at the moment. So we're going to come back true. And then once we do, only then do we want to do the sign, whatever this thing is. So we're going to do return that. And then we'll put in the external ID, which should come from our payload. And then we'll also pass in our subscriptions like so. So then we should get back out a thingamajig. Okay. While that's there, we'll close that. Okay, so now let's see if, wait, okay, it doesn't rebuild. That's weird. And let's see if we get an error now. Wait a minute. Wait, why am I printing out the key still? I thought I'd stop doing that. I didn't. Okay. And I also want to return this value back up to here, to the caller. So what I'll do is I'll return this as well. Now, honestly, if this were a real authentication, I'll probably want to redirect them to some other place. But for now, we're good with it, without it. All right, cool. Look at that. So that works. Let's confirm. We get the app ID out, the expiration, the identity. No subscribers yet, but that's okay. The way that's going to work is we're going to fix it. So we'll do external ID, and then we'll say it's me. And then we'll do subscriptions. I think that's what yeah, let me just copy and paste it. We'll just do that. And this is going to be an array of objects. And I'm only going to have one in there for now. So we're going to have an email, because that's the easiest thing for me to do. Which is going to be William at LaunchSignal. Oh, wait a minute. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. This should be type here. And then this should be token. And enabled is just a Boolean, so we'll mark that as true. Uh-oh, it's because of that maybe? No? Do I not know how to do things? It's 100% possible. Yes, it's me. I don't know how to do things. Enabled. I even said the word and then I didn't type it. So we'll need to put that in a string. And we still get a not working. Oh, that's great. Let's see if did I just it just crashed. Fuck. Oh man, that sucks. Close that. We don't need that. I have an idea. We'll just do it this way. That way it's impossible for me to make mistakes. So we're gonna have our type, which is email, and then token, which is again a string, like so. And then we'll have an enabled, which should be a Boolean, and we'll say true. We still get a 500 error. What the hell? Syntax message, JSON, parse error, unexpected identifier object. Huh? Email? Is that it? No, that's not why. It's a parse error. Fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at life, misspelling a word is never a parse error. So like, you know, the parser doesn't care if I spell it email or emu or emac, whatever. But this issue that I'm now running into is another issue. Let me stop running the server and rebuild it. That's one thing I got to keep in mind, is that for whatever reason, it doesn't rebuild automatically. So if I make a change, I have to go and stop it. All right, so we are getting a parse error. Now, the only place where I am parsing is inside of here. Right here is where I'm doing all of the parsing. So my expectation is if I stop doing it here, then we will no longer get that issue. But it's saying that it's filling that body, not body. You know what? Maybe I should just print out the body as is so that I can see what it is. So we'll do that. Oh, it does rebuild. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Body, email, token, enabled. And then the parse not, it doesn't work. I don't understand how this isn't parsable. Unless, oh shit, what if it's already parsed for me? Remember, I've never used this framework, so I don't know. So this could just be parsed for me. If so, then let's try that out, because this right here, this isn't JSON. And how I know that is because this isn't wrapped in strings. So I'm going to delete all of this and just put body like that. And nah, that's unknown. How do I make it known? Let's see. Let's go to their docs. There should be some type of generic here. That's what I would expect. Decorator. What's a decorator? Oh, okay. I don't care about that. Decorate. No. What does this decorate do? For what it's worth, the issue that I'm dealing with now is more to do with TypeScript. I can get by with, right here by just saying as string. I could do that, but this is technically not a string. This is technically the what do you call it? Auth payload, I think is what I call it. Auth payload. I forgot what I called it. Let's go find out. Yeah, it's called that. So we'll export that. Something's wrong. I see. Subscriptions is an object. No, that's wrong. An array. Now, can I move these? No, I can't. Of course not. All right, so this is going to be an object. This is the issue. I did. This is me. It's no user error as usual. These all go away, and then this is going to become the external ID, and it'll just be I'm him, like that. So I think this is more in line with what I'm after. I don't know why. I have no idea why these are flipped, but hey, you know, whatever. All right, now where is the thing at? We can say that this is the auth payload. Now, my issue with this is that I would prefer to say that this right here is like auth payload if I could. I would prefer to do something like that and then have it where it'll try to parse it and then fail. Now, I don't know if this works that way, so I'm just gonna keep my wishful thinking to myself. And let's try this out again. All right, and now let's verify this. Okay, now that we're cooking. All right, we have the right things now. External ID, the subscription is here, and then the thingamajig. Perfect. So we have it doing the thing. All right, so now we come into here, and I'm gonna need to do a login function somewhere. I have a view model I can do it in. Where is that? Login functionality. Login right here. Login action. Here we go. So there is a login function. There's a new login function. Assuming that I have the beta, which I think I do. So we'll do one signal login, and this is the one that I want right there. So we're gonna log in kind of the same. So I'm gonna be him. So we're gonna do that. And then this token is what I'm gonna get from the server, right? So that's what the auth flow is for. So I need to authenticate with my server. I'm faking that part right now. And then once I've authenticated with the server, I then produce this JWT, send it back to this device, and then with that JWT, I send back in this token right here. All right, so that's kind of the workflow. Now there is a, wait, what time is it? Oh shit, I gotta go soon. I forgot I have a meeting at 12. So next time, what I'll likely do is implement a HTTP client or install an HTTP client that allows me to make requests, and then I'll call my server. You know, I'll put in some security controls. So it's like, you know, I can only receive requests from X, Y, or Z with these types of things. And then, yeah, I'm thinking about also creating an actual database to secure this, because I am going to put it on the internet, all that kind of stuff. All right, Marshall, I'll see you later. You have a good rest of the day. But yeah, hopefully that was interesting. I don't know. It was mostly a pain in the ass for me. I'm not a fan of like dealing with shit that don't just work. But yeah, So we have some progress made. You know, we started out with a new Bond project. I don't know Bond at all, nothing about it. Figured out what web framework you're supposed to use with it. I assume I'm using the right one. I don't really know. Maybe there are better ones, maybe not. We have implemented the functionality necessary to create the JOT, to produce that JOT. And we've now wrapped that inside of our authentication function, which is kind of like a fake function for now. I'm faking the authentication, but you know, like the logic is there, right? So yeah, we're authenticating and then calling my function and producing the results, sending it back. So all of that's working. And now the next piece is just like get it tied into all of the apps. So I'm going to do one for iOS. I'm going to do one for Android. And hopefully that should be enough because like all the other SDKs are fairly similar, you know? Oh, and I'll probably also do one for web if I need to. So yeah, that'll be 3 different platforms that I'll do it on. I don't know if I'll do it for React Native or Flutter or what are the other ones? Maui, .NET Maui. I'm sure there are others. Cordova. I don't think I need to do it because it doesn't really change. Anyway, I'm out. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.